come to heavy letters, light letters, everything has its place, and you need to differentiate, right? If you're mixing between things, you will put sugar next to salt, so you're gonna put them together. That's awful thing. Okay.
Speaking of sugar and salt, I'll tell you something funny. We make tea. One Asian style of tea, they put sugar in there and they put salt.
Both.
Both things in there. So it has a sweet and a salty taste.
Okay, salt with tea, enough. What are you doing with sugar there? You're wasting it.
I think they still like a little bit of sweetness in there as well, you know?
It's something to wonder about. How's it gonna do the test? I have people in my place. My wife wasn't there,
Okay.
and it was like a lot of friends. Okay, so
Yeah.
they asked me to do something. They were hungry, my friends, and so we were gathering together. So I make them some egg with salt, a pure salt,
Okay.
nothing to it. With I'm sorry, with sugar. Salt is
With
fine.
sugar, okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
So a lot of sugar, a lot of sugar. I don't know why a lot.